The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt shakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi way. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak saupoin rewlak. Just wow.
Wabilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District hak janmiat juga arpau tarik nailar arhaja arpun rio ula Kyntu ya ke KSU bukan Burom lem ya ke jingbam ai jingbit ke office halor ke jing temu ke seng ban Pynlong ke Jingïalang songkelan mengor hak kendailat hak arpau tarik nailar arhaja arpun rio. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor wabilash ulaong bag jingbam ai hukum ke office kamdei namar kiwei pat kidaw henrei namar ke jingkwa ban wan rak biang ya ke songsok songsan hak nong ba. Nalor kata ula ongru baki dang don bon kinong song snong kamtam gi khana school gi basaki ye gi jingja bat kumta ki dang don ha ka jingchak tieng bat kumta ula Kyntu ya ka KSU bakan ker ban Pynlong ya ka ni Jingïalang.
Informed in the morning that in light of yesterday's events, disturbing events of yesterday, and after careful deliberation and discussion, we have decided to deny the permission to KSU for their proposed procession and sit-in protest that they have proposed for tomorrow. From administration, we understand that as of now, the city is healing. The city is still recovering from the trauma that it suffered yesterday. Several children, several people who witnessed violence, they are still undergoing fear and trauma. What this city needs at this point is calm, restraint, and some time to heal. So through media, I want to make a direct appeal to the leadership and members of KSU. Please respect the orders of the administration. This order is not to curb any democratic right. This order has been brought out just to be able to afford the opportunity to residents of Shillong to breathe, to recover, and to heal. So I earnestly appeal to you, please do not come out for any procession or sit-in which may lead to any confrontation with the security forces. And simultaneously, we must always remember and think about the children of Shillong. Few children were unfortunate to witness what happened yesterday on the streets. And simultaneously, most of the children and their parents are as of now frightened. Let's make sure that we do not put them through another day of uncertainty and confrontation. That's my earnest appeal to KSU and its members, and simultaneously I appeal to all citizens of Shillong as well.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pindon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya